frefo agina so ache yem piki bi ne enko ye nim. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma me ho te san awie yi.
Na do no so.
Jo, nyame ado. Na hwan ni o? Sister Shahia awie yi. Sa. That's right. Amen.
Adom sa. Before you see any other to oh. And me fashion. I may ask them to ask me to him. My man, this could be my money.
Jim FM.
Amen. Amen. Hello, good afternoon. Me pacha hwan ni o.
Pacha yem special jawa.
Yo ma me na ho te say awie.
Pacha me wo yo ofa.
Nyame agye wo ne wabusua o.
Oh, nyame agye me. Mi da se tia ni a. Adan kwa na me de manyame o.
Amen.
The work me. The last weekend we Adumara kwa.
That's right.
Na Adum obianda nyame ase mami.
Amen. O se wo waka no. Nyame adum nti oda ho tenkwam. Hello, good afternoon. Oh.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Black.
Yes, our boss. Na pacha hwan ni o.
Mpacha wo frame. Omra Samu Abdodo no frame Asabi.
Yo, na wi a wo shahin mi nua.
Mpacha me say Teshi. First dancing mo be.
Yo, ka bi kire awrade no ai bia ma no abusua.
Enya bro. Me pamade fashion designer na me shop no sa. There be customers ne bom me. Nyame Adom this week metime biem pepe.
Amen.
Me kwala am so much mo bi anya ba bi atena fine. Nyame asepa part wa ha. Why that you alive. Amen. Oh, ima brebe nsu tu alive.
Amen.
Oh, enya graduate rose nso wa ha. To mo nyina ya da nyame asepa.
Amen. Maminda nyame asemfama Rasco abrabo. Rasco wo shek ba reserve. Opamade ho nyame nka ho a onte nanim nchira afi mu. Hello, good afternoon.
Fine afternoon.
Me pacha hwan ni o.
Me pacha, ya say Mr. Nobody me tofi krobo dumase.
Hey, na bibia boko de.
Nyame na Adom bibia boko na wonso e.
Nyame Adom, awie yentie we.
Nyame nso e.
Nyame Adom say de o chele, oguso a chele wo Europe. Nye izo, o chele ro.
Oba, on pe bibi famre ye collect.
That's all.
We dey radio free. Radio wa ye bia mama. Radio wa ye bia mama anka fe bi fe. Ni ni bio, bibia ni ni boto menso. Inframa papa. Bomi no. Me hu fe yakopon wa ye bia mama bi fe.
That's right.
Afi aso. Ama afasha krobo ba be di this week nyina no. Me kiso won komodia na me hu fe yakopon. Wo ye odo, wo ye kokroko. Be da wa so.
Amen. Na inframa ya papa ka ho asemi. Ochina ye be bibi dia famframa papa be osmesoro ochina ye bibi afamframa ho. Ye be kokolebu. Ni akwa kwhwe every hour bia sa wo ye panimu ne ye de mframa oxygen si usu a wutua sen. Wo ye akwadan so a wutua sen. Na yan calculate from January mamesi sabrewu. Ni yan hwe ka ye de nankopon a ode a che ye free. Yan kwa homa no so. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Rakai.
Me pacha hwan ni o.
Oh, yeah, friend with you. Me hoba money dem kata which junction.
Yo, na bibia bako de minia.
Oh, nyame ya de fun yo.
Ye fa nyame ya ye yimre no e, ni tie o.
And very the radio to pa. Boy, ya o ye radio to. Radio ya to be free.
Sa. Amen. Completion. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Nampacha hwan you?
Apeti apia. AKA Rack.
Hey, Kentin Kamotos.
What?
Atafija na ho te say area yi. Nyame adom ye ho ye. So me kai about 10 years ago me kai pa. Nyame aye bi. Mini aye ti o.
Me show said me yakopon ayamagane pro kenye tiasie so. Asafu jamene mebusia. Me yere me ma. Na ye da kutia. The book is here to stand with you. I can see somebody here. But you can't say this is here. Don't go Kolebu. And from my every and from my every when you see sure seconds, no, and you're saying,
Ochina be calculating in our Hanyami Adomo.
The whole year, no,
Sir. Nyamia yebio. Eya danyamia sima wo mo Edu say ya yenchia nipa ye chia nyame ye be danyamia se de ama nipa brabo na ye fe. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Na mpacha hwani o.
Pacha na bonyo because pacha wa fijata.
Yo na wie ye tie nyamia je onu abusia.
Pacha nyo. Na me da right now today. Adumi kono adumi ba dama afina ko batu abatu yin na so de be chat 2018 we mu na udi da academy amen we can be fast for na no graduation
yo jabe kabo ho yo yati we dey want for why advert free ba nya hwe kwadi akiti pick two more calls in ka ho hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Nampacho hwani o.
Me the Coleman, me kasa police city.
Yo, na bibia boko de menua.
Nyame adom bibia boko. Me went dey say abebia.
Me dase abebia si de esi wa poti. Awie yenti o.
Me gina muma obi a e wo prison sie.
Amen.
Na obi a wa yarisa.
Amen.
Na obi a wa kwantum.
Amen.
Omutie mu but omuni phone and now omuni ekwan am fa so afre me gina o man
amen no mu amutie yen afri in sawan prisons achia na mbu ye wate nyame ren free mo wate mu amutie me wo cells ni prisons ahodo nyina amutie me nyame re enfree mo wate okai mo a mo medana se wo tu kwan nyina chedi ampo ensuam woni nkore taba so onfa mu nkodru jojo mu kodru so amema mu remfisa mo de na yeye bebre no aketi am pick your last call for this afternoon. Hello Kachre.
Hello Black Eye.
Me pacha hwan you
by Jake me person.
Good me pacha obi bia bokọ de
Nyame na dom la de so shiran
ewie yentie we nyame agye no abusua
to da bi na ye gidi for ye konyame fie na ye be dia da fie na eye obi ti say uko nyasden na kan so mo sorti na la de you free money ya testimony but at that moment with that body cannot give testimony.
That's right.
But we are crap as for uko dano solia we can see program bi wo this ever see a device selection. Addiction why a device selection. There was a time me catch us phone say I saw me say a meter e boy muma na aka frama na udru e dia wo body that road no cut wa no what shorty frama no be say yes la de wa yedi
sa eja hello pacho utie me catch it here for nyina say me mo bia mfre bi only last caller catch your mama me
mini last caller catch the piano
no one boom. Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. Ebusia, me din de kwesi apia. Obetimi afra me black eye.
Adom FM. Adom FM. Adom FM.
Vignette, you baby pie. I made that put trim. Baby apa. Me na put trim ya ma. What's on your sausage? Say
Oh, uncle, what you?
What's on your sausage?
Me pacho piece, who see what diner or drew so about down so for DBS roofing sheet for about down so why make come for DBS roofing sheet the amount a sunset DBS roofing sheet and one and I will talk a year roofing sheet different amount 20 years warranty. Yeah, amount 20 years warranty because we believe in our products. Yeah, amount 20 years warranty because you said 20 years no roofing sheet no. I want to chima de biarada. A sunset a new man yeah dear a year roofing sheet no. God to say yes roofing sheet na quality. Now DBS roofing sheet no it comes in different colors. You were red, you were blue. Color be out PBA to make the man at the end the crown say. And one want a self-cleansing agent is your turn and one who run home. And two who chance done as a monochain. Set Yamia Yawadom Usi what dina or do roofing level there. But modern saw do any better DBS roofing. Now I quite a year roofing sheet in your dear for Hospitals Road and also. Wabe Papaya Restaurant. Give them a call today on 0204 344 561. Me pacha wo your bar na wo tie me na utum se na so wo ya adwuma kakra na wa bre utum sa hoɔden na ba fam a adure baji wo ya healthy link healthy woman farmer trust for no dia ba healthy link healthy woman e boy increase wo immune system na mwatumi anya hoɔden mapa awo na wo pa e be boost fertility level ne dia ma e improve blood flow ama watumi ade ho so ba pa healthy link healthy woman e be bo ajiwa kagire mu sanso na wo ma me bi ofie no se menopause ha no a adure baji no e healthy link menopause tablet healthy link menopause tablet e be bo e menopause na firi ma me atumi ade ne ho ankasa wo nail any wo skin any wo tri hwinsu bubua healthy link hair nail and skin e be jiwa kagire mu farmer trust for no dia bo for any license cam cash of pharmacy BM ubenya farmer trust no papa pai bi o ha atumi ato ne aka nro hu nsam ide say yeti ade pa dia na dro e ye procode say yeti ade pa say ye code ana wuti half na pai wa procode e be bo ajiwa kagire mu ye pa say kaka o se kaka na hawa Kojak sensitive toothbrush any Kojak F toothpaste any Kojak P toothpaste e be bo ama oseno ahodia ba mu ye e be bo ama osena ye white so be brush o sia fa Kojak sensitive toothbrush any Kojak F toothpaste fa brush o sia e be bo ama osena ahodia bem e bo yi kaka ni nyina fra mo tumi ade ho a Furniture Kojak Pharmacy. Well, can she drag lane for 0249 20 99 20. What do I need? Chef Pharmacy BM Benya Kojak no Papa Paibu or to me. This is Adom FM. Yeah, Yinyamia right here on Ofie Kwanso. Me pacho say u kidney hawa to Gideana Mona Furniture Natural Way Herbal Clinic. Say your kidney problem padia to Gideana Mona Furniture Natural Way Herbal Clinic. Professor Wiafia Kenteng, Dr. Kunini Pa, ɔne na doctor for bɛboa hwɛ ama wɔn so kidney problem no yɛaboa ama yɛasan yɛade ama nso atumi ade ho kidney yɛade de ɛnyɛ o mesrɛ so kidney hawa mantwɛn ɛma ne nkɔnkɔ hawa to baabi a yɛde wobɛto dialysis machine so 400 Ghana every week wobɛtumi atua daabi for any church Santa Maria wobɛhu natural way herbal clinic wɔbɛnja love hotel from 0245 159 547 0245 159 547 me pacho ene se me ka say ene dwuade abusuafo a wosie won adehye weekend nyina a wode contract ne come transition for no wo se yemfa Ofie Kwanso yemfa Asedamapa yemfa ma transition for a member of the enterprise group won a wode won yie hu densem nyina akodan transition for weekend transition for na ye na ma won wani mu ate abusua nani mu abanyam amade ne ekwakosie nso yasie no asumdue mu pepepe so mesra wada weekend is a mobile year monfa ye ne ho hihye nyina akodan transition wo hacho main road no so transition for no be year from Fladaka to Canopies to Nkonya to Bibia transition for professionals no one be year na mabusua nani mu ate ankasa fa wodadwi nyina akodan transition wo be year na ma pa me pacho Guarantee Trust Bank was it wouldn't you rather bank with us? So only Guarantee Trust Bank eye adwuma and only won din kitawo so a wo boa ma osikasem ekoyie. So only Guarantee Trust Bank for edidwa abra wo hia mmoa no se ebi apeso kokra nioma ba wo hia sika bi dia so sika so akokra nioma ba Guarantee Trust Bank be boa wo se open bank a on betumi di wo sika ye adwuma ma osika na wo mmoho ama wo a Guarantee Trust Bank be boa wo for any chair what branches say what Ghana have bia na no anko twetwen ko beti wa so pem no so aboa mo atumi ay financially independent. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Guarantee Trust Bank. Pa pa pa. En me kwada ma won oboa so yasene ne de radia ye ede ba enche bia de futuo beba eno atwen irrigator sports ye wia later on so ye nuaba Sally or the entertainment filler or the bebrand yenda nyamia se enfama akete se yenda nyamia se enfama eye na busuafo ejuna say I want to thank God for my life after a hard time of broken heart. Hey akete, wow. I see oda nyamia se dia ma eye MTN of high speed. See akete wakuman baby ebubu adu bia no nyame en reconstruct man why. I see amen. Okay, this is Ofie Kwanso. Me did the question up here between from a black eye mate. Name the Jerry Justice. Man like Papa Bills is our senior producer. Able producer Papa Pa. But couldn't be able to do some. Can you imagine? About Monday, our the manager Bobon said, African so tired, I can't so we are so broken heart. Jonas, nice one. On so tired, me patch over to me share on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. I am more about the Bajumedias. We are here till 6 in the PM.